So this is a quick video in the paint shop. Every time we get new paints, it has to be labeled. And having the tape like this, sometimes it's full, sometimes I take it and there's always looking for tape is a waste of time. So I made this label here that I attached a tape, and now there's no way I can I can just grab it and label. It's always here, save time. Good improvement, huh?
Yeah, good improvement.
Let's quickly added a photo of where the stumper and the mop goes.
The shipping department has made some awesome improvements. So we've got now labels on each of our racks. So that's B, C, D, and so forth. And that all corresponds to our shipping terminal. When we load a pallet into the warehouse, we know exactly where it is. So when we prepare shipping, pull that pallet from the location. No more searching. I made a quick improvement to the packaging pallet wrapping area here. So when you go to Microsoft Edge now to open a browser, automatically opens the cycle timer. That way we can track how long it's taking to wrap pallet. We have an awesome improvement here in the assembly area. Now we have these rollout drawers for all the tools and the hardware. Great work, guys. Looks really good. Randy's done an improvement. He's relaminated his table. So now it's got a really nice flat white surface on it. Andy, what are these marks here?
These marks are when we are making squares.
Yep.
And we have to cut the L corner for it. So when I lay up on the front, then I will know how much exactly I need to cut.
Ah, perfect. Okay, so these are for quickly identifying how much packaging material you need to cut so you don't have to measure. That's a great improvement, Andy. Nice work. So Melissa and the team here have made a mind-blowing improvement. I didn't even know this was possible, but when you load the sheet on the OmniTech, you used to have to remember to hit this button here to turn on the vacuum and then hit start. And often, or with new operators, or me, I would forget to hit this button and the sheet would cut without suction and the thing would move around. So they've added a line in the code now where you load the sheet on, you hit the start, and the suction automatically turns on from the sheet code. So that's amazing. I just did some quick math. That's going to save 2 seconds a day, and that equates to about 11,000 seconds every month or every year. So really awesome work. Nice. Check out this awesome improvement from the Diego. So we have our sensor here that detects when they're out of tape. Problem is when we're running multiple different edge tapes in the job, if you change the tape, you change the roll all the time. Diego's figured out a way with some 3D printed parts we can actually stack 2 rolls of edge tape and feed them into the machine like this. Now we can run 2 different colors of edge tape on one machine. That saves a huge amount of time when we're doing multiple colors. Awesome work. Okay, we're catching the guys mid-improvement. What are we doing today, guys? Yeah.
We having a problem with the clamp. It's not on the square.
Yep.
So we're using the adjustments that we have.
Nice. And we removed these bars on the other side, right? Why did we do that?
So we can fit wider trucks.
Perfect. Because that saves what, 4 inches?
This, yeah.
Nice.
This one.
Excellent. Nice work.
Well, that's quite messy. And that's the first evolution of the document. And then it became that. And that's the final version for the home mag.
In the drawer assembly area, we've got these nice gray bins here. We were struggling with reloading. We had these in the original boxes, and when they were running low, we would refill them through a small opening, like a little bit at a time. It wasn't working. So got these bins now, and now we can store a box and a half of clips at a time. So refilling is easy. Really great work, guys. The team has identified a problem here. We had these truss head screws holding this trim on, and we realized that as we're sliding our finished door faces through, sometimes if it was a tall cabinet, it would actually scrape here and here. So we've eliminated that by using flush screws, and we've recessed them a little bit into the door trim. So that means that we can pass these through without damaging. Great improvement. Great crumb trail here on the forklift. So oil and fluid was last checked on July 21st by Dennis, right on the tank. And when the this signifies that the propane, the extra tank we have outside, is good to go. So yeah, really looks good. Nice work.